It's now time that we need to change our window wipers because they're old
Yeah, more than 3 years.
and crappy.
So we bought new one from Lidl. This one
Yeah.
is completely crappy. Do you see?
Yep.
They do not work properly.
Its time has come.
Yeah, and in Lidl they have new supplements shipments with this one very beautiful wipers.
Yeah. And also the way which you need to select the window wipers. So on the back, see, there are cars, for example, car brands. We have a Hyundai accent. So here we look Hyundai, yeah, and now look accent.
And
So that's for our car.
And year of production of our car.
Yes.
And maybe this will be okay for our cars.
It should be.
Yeah, you need to check the measurement, the size,
the big one and the small one.
Yeah,
Because they're different size.
yeah. There is
Yeah, you can
sizes.
see the small one and the big one.
Here you can see how to change them.
Yeah.
Look
Okay.
at this.
So there, yeah.
Not very good.
Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty bad. Horrid, one might say.
Horrible. Let's check how new one will be.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take the wipers off.
Yeah,
So
old one.
like this, and then we put like this and pull it down, yeah? Or how?
You,
Okay,
yeah, you
One's
did
off.
it. You did it.
now let's go do the other one. Let's put it like this. So put it up.
It's
And this one's broken.
completely broken, but it works.
I mean, horribly.
Horribly. But wow, I unboxed this one. Look at them.
Wow, like there was gonna be something else.
Cool.
What is?
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Damn.
Look, do you know what is this?
Isn't this like for snow or something? I don't know.
No, it's when you will drive and it will be like this. The wind will be pushed here and they will be pushed to the window very strong.
Oh,
and
that makes
wipe.
sense.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, so where should be the small one? Where should be the big
Small one here and big one for driver.
one? Okay, so let me put the big one on.
He tried to put big one.
Cook, let me cook.
See the look here is for you.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it. Like this.
You can block it. Can I help you?
No. Okay, wait. Am I cooking? Am I cooking?
You can block it.
Oh,
Can I help you?
it's not supposed to be like that. Never mind. It is not supposed to be like that. Whatever. Literally what I was doing. But you said I was gonna break it.
Yeah.
Let's put it in. So put it through the hole. Then and go.
Okay, we did it.
Done. Unlike someone.
Let's try it.
Let's see if there's gonna be a difference.
Wow.
There's a slight difference.
No, it's also this difference.
Oh,
Look
I
at
guess.
how it works. Awesome. Like new one.
Try the fastest speed.
It's fastest.
That's the fastest. That's slow.